Hello friends and welcome to Max Programming. Today we are going to learn this thing. Now, as you know that what we are going to learn today, we are going to create date boxes today on our web page. So the first step is to put the form tag, and between the form tags we are going to use the input tag. In the input tag, so let's first create a text box that has something. Let's put a title label here. For that, it would be please enter your name here. Okay, let's put a colon here. So this is our text box. Let's save it. Let's first see our text box, how it looks like. Okay, so we have our text box here. You can write it our name here, but first, now let's create our date box. So for that we have to put another input tag, but first of all let me put br text to break the line. I should put two br tags, and let's put an input tag there. Okay, in this input tag we are going to write type also and name also. Name you can write anything, but let's write the type would be date. Okay, and name I can write as birth date. After that, let's put a label here. Please enter your birth date here. Okay, so we have this. Let's save it, and here let's refresh our page. We've got here. We can put this like this. It is like a drop down box also. You can choose January 2019 it is. We can choose Feb. We can choose, let's choose the year as 2019 it is. So okay, so let's do it like that. Second month, 21st date, and then write it 2005. So you can write your name also here. So for this tutorial you will learning this only. In the next tutorial we will learn that how to put these in a box and then label that box correctly. And finally, thank you for seeing this video.